Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. But as for me, I will be cleaning and decluttering my kitchen cabinets, my junk drawer, my pantry. And while I was doing all this, I just went ahead and decided to also clean my fridge because tomorrow is actually food shopping day. So I just decided, why not just tackle the fridge? And I just kept going, y'all. I couldn't even stop anymore. But let me tell you, after I cleaned my pantry, especially my pantry and my fridge, I felt like a new woman. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this inspires you to go ahead and tackle the areas that is unseen, but we know it makes a huge difference. And you guys, I actually bought these two storage bins here for under my sink, underneath the sink, but I didn't measure the sink and this was too big. So I just threw it in the pantry and it worked out perfectly well. I actually liked the storage bin in the pantry. So make sure to measure underneath your sink before you buy anything that you have to store underneath.
Grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking leave from this bleak satin. Somewhere we'll be miles away. Oh, under red sky we'll be melting.
So now we're moving to underneath the sink, and this was so messy, but unfortunately the tray, the storage bin that I got for here was way too big and it wouldn't fit, so I had to make anything out of this. I had to use what I already had. I had to be creative, but it worked out perfectly well. So there you have it. I am done and I feel so great about this. Listen, I don't know about y'all, but when my pantry is clean and organized and my drawers all organized and my fridge, I feel like a new woman. Okay, I feel like I've accomplished so much because these areas, these like hidden areas, feel clean. And I don't know about you guys, but when my kitchen's clean, but my fridge is a mess, my freezer is a mess, my pantry's a mess, I still feel like my kitchen is not organized. I like a clean and organized kitchen, and sometimes just a little bit of effort just to take some time and just organize certain things, throw away certain things you don't want. Mail, I had so much mail in my junk drawer. Oh my God. It was driving me crazy. Like, even though no one can see it, it was driving me crazy because I knew my junk drawer was like, it was really aggravating me. It was bothering me. But I'm so glad that I took the Sunday and I organized the space. And I hope that this video motivates you and it makes you want to go and clean out your junk drawer in your fridge. And the best time to clean out your fridge is before you go food shopping. Like, I'm gonna go food shopping tomorrow, and I have so much space to just bring in the new things. It won't be cluttered. I won't over pack things, and it will look nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for more.